how to make a PNG in Photoshop. Let's get into it. For this Photoshop tutorial, I'm going to be removing this yellow background and exporting it as a transparent PNG. To do this, I need to unlock the layer by clicking on this padlock. This is going to allow us to edit the image. Next, come down to remove background from the contextual taskbar. If you don't see this, just right click on this blank space here and then choose either hide or show contextual taskbar. Next, click into remove background. Photoshop is going to work some magic to remove the background of this image. That has done a brilliant job there. Now to export this as a PNG, we can do one of two things. As we can see here, I have a lot of blank space. If you want to, you can export it with this blank space if you want this size of image in another project you're working in, for example. However, if you just want the PNG to be constrained to the areas of your subject or icon or logo, you can come up to Image, then come down to Trim. This window will appear, select transparent pixels and then choose OK. Then that's going to trim all of the transparent pixels that weren't being used, leaving you with just your subject or icon or logo. To save this as a PNG, come up to File, come down to Save As. This is going to open up your regular save window. Next, click into the drop down for Format and select PNG, then choose Save. This window will appear and you can choose between small, medium or large file size. If you want the image to be small as possible for social media or other programs, you can click into smallest size. It will just take a little bit longer to export. I'm going to select largest file size and then choose OK. Now if I open up Finder, we can see that we have our original image here if I open it up. And then we also have the transparent PNG that we have just cut out using Photoshop. And that's all there is to it.